Anti ANC ihlulekile, ANC ayihlulekanga guys, ayihlulekanga. I-ANC yenze yonke into bekumele iyenze, yonke into it was instructed to do. Okay, kithi ihlulekile because thina we thought ukuthi ANC is for the people yabo. It's go. Mara no, we thought wrong. Actually we were misled. ANC ayikaze ibe nepower. Ayikaze ibe nayo ipower. Because they've always answered to the colonial powers. Lokhu yangeni ANC 30 years ago, iphethwe inamaboss. And amaboss we-ANC akuseyabantu abamnyama. In this system, money is power, and the ANC ayinamali, ayikaze ibe namali. Iyafandwa i-ANC, iyanikwa imali kuthiwe okay, nayo imali sin-allocated yokwenza ukuthi nokuthi. And ababathumeli ukuthi beze kithi to make our lives better. Because vele laba abaphethe i-ANC abasifuni. Lento eyenzekayo manje ngemadlanga commission and everything that's been happening for the past 30 years yenziwa ngamabomu. So that bazoprovela wena umuntu omnyama ukuthi umuntu omnyama akakwazi ukuphatha. So that they make us feel incompetent as abantu abamnyama vele ubone ukuthi no vele mele size siyophathwa belungu. Bazobuletha ngane ubungcono abelungu kuyimanje kapa akunabungcono for umuntu omnyama. Banikhombisa straight abelungu exactly lento abazoyenza mase babuyele emandleni eCape Town. You are seeing it playing in HD 4K live so. Bayanikhombisa nange Orania. You are seeing it in HD 4K live. Ukuthi bazizwa kanjani ngani, but emqondweni wakho wena you still believe that mawungahamba manje kusasa uyovotela loya mlungu loya ophethe amajele impilo yakho izoba nobungcono wena. Research the Berlin Conference guys. Othi ngizonifundela futhi le part eyenzeka manje. To stop Africa from becoming a superpower, you don't need a new strategy. Because the blueprint has been written and tested and perfected over centuries. Ngifundi Berlin Conference la. You start by making sure that Africa never unites. Every day bavela ne-strategy esisha sokusixabanisa. Hey, sekune political party yama-Somali. Hey, sekune political party yama-Niger. Making us believe I'm a foreigner doing this and this and this. Hey guys, vulana amehlo. If they ever start to work together, remind them of past grievances. Stoke old wounds and fund separatist movements. Fund separatist parties. Keep the border disputes unresolved. Every time they take one step forward, make sure they take 2 steps back because they are too busy fighting each other. Install leaders who serve foreign interests and not of their people. Find the most corrupt, most easily manipulated, the ones who crave wealth and status more than progress. Offer them power in exchange for loyalty. So ANC has never been loyal to us. Ba corrupt nje benza kanjena because that is exactly what the enemy wants. You know why? So that they control your narrative. So that they make us believe that we are hopeless and we are eternally in crisis. So that they make us believe that we need them as our savior. Vuka Daki. Stop falling for the same trick. We have the blueprint manje. We have the information. We cannot give them power again. This is a strategy bafethu vuka. Yo, vukani. And by the way, this is from Excessive Collagen News, okay? Stick to the dosage, okay? And then also take breaks. Take breaks from taking collagen because, it can do this thing if you are taking it too much.